What's up y'all, welcome to yet another video. This is your boy Amit and today we are going to look at Google's VEO2 video generation model. This thing is pretty cool. Let's pit it against Sora and see what kind of videos we can get. So with that, let's get started. So I have got Google's VEO2 on my left, Sora of course on my right. You should be very familiar with this. And let's just look at some of the videos here and see if we can have Google regenerate them. I'm also going to take it in whatever language it is, as long as we can see the video, we can understand what's happening. Take that to Google's VEO2 and give it the exact same prompt. Now on the right side here, Sora was 9 by 16 format. I could have changed that here, but in VEO2 you can also change the duration between 5 to 8 seconds. I haven't been able to change the frame rate or the resolution, but the video duration can be changed. Now, first time you try this, you will be asked to connect your Google Drive account, and that's where all the video generation is saved inside your Google Drive account, which is smart. Google is not going to bear the cost of hundreds of terabytes of video being created every single day. So we'll wait for this, see how good of a job Google does. You can see at the bottom here how long that prompt ran for. While it's running, let me show you the first one that I got back from Google, and let me show you its Sora equivalent. So from Sora, I took this one, which was a video about this one right here, CCTV footage in a residential neighborhood of a Russian city. The camera is fixed, there's lightning strike. It says the camera is fixed high on a pole, showing a wide view of Soviet-style panel apartment buildings, 5 to 9 stories tall, an asphalt road, a few parked cars, and scattered trees. Birch, which is popular in a dull overcast atmosphere. The sky is gray, the lightning is dim. A few pedestrians pass by. Suddenly, a powerful lightning bolt strikes one of the buildings. There's a bright flash, followed by a partial destruction of the building. Concrete chunks fly off, a balcony explodes, dust cloud rise, and debris spread all across the scene. Now, Sora did a great job of most of it. You can see cars driving by. I didn't see any pedestrians walking by, but this looks like a CCTV style footage, although it's moving, so that tells me it's not fixed on a camera. So this was the result from Sora. Now let me pull up the same result from Google. So here's the surveillance footage from Google. You can see passers walking by, the destruction, and that destruction was pretty good. Now, one thing to note here is the prompt adherence, right? 5 to 9 story building, old apartments. This one already looks kind of dilapidated and broken up. But these passersby here, the two people at the bottom right corner of the screen, oblivious. They don't even care that this building just exploded. But this was more realistic and more prompt adherence, I should say. Maybe not realistic is the right word. More prompt adherence than Sora. Now let's go back to our videos and see how Google did compared to Sora. Alright, I think Google's catching up to Sora. That's pretty realistic to me. Let's try a few more. Alright, what's this? Harry Potter, Techno 2025, Dark EDM Cigarette. Okay. Not that many words. Let's just try that. If I go to the original prompt, this is the original prompt, but I'm just going to try this one. This time I'll try 5 seconds to get hopefully a faster video generation. I can also choose the number of results, either 1 or 2. So I'm going to stick to 1. Frame rate and resolution is coming soon, so we won't worry about that. Let's hit run. Now you can see that there's also an add image to the prompt. So that'll be the next one I try. Prompt was blocked due to safety reasons. Yeah, I get that. It's essentially Google's content moderation isn't going to allow that. So this next one with Putin and Trump, I might not even try because that's probably going to be the same thing. Let's try this one. That's Mona Lisa looks like, or someone who looks very close to Mona Lisa. So let's try that one and run that prompt. Girl with a pearl earring, but she's a metalhead girl from early 2010. And if we go back to the video, she's essentially just blinking around, looking around. The hair does not look real at all. So we'll wait for that. And then after that, I'll try the image upload here and see how that converts to a video prompt. All right, we are back. Here's our video from Google. I think the one from Sora was potentially an image that got converted into a video. That's why this style is way different than this one. But without that much of a prompt, I think Google did a good job. Now let's try to find a video that has a lot of detail and maybe the prompt is pretty thorough to see if we can replicate that. Alright, let's try this one. Not a thorough prompt, but freedom Palestinian flag, sad and strong kid waving it. Okay, now we have reached the quota exceeded. So looks like I have a daily video generation quota that has been exceeded. So I won't be able to go any further. But that being said, check out VEO2, available for at least hopefully everyone in the US. I am currently in the United States and I was able to use this. Let me know what prompts you're using and what kind of results you're getting. Please share it in the comments so we all can benefit from your successes or learn from your failures. And there you have it, Google's video generation platform VEO2. I think Sora has a worthy contender. I don't know about you, but hopefully you get to test this, and once you do, I would love to hear how your comparison was compared to Sora, which obviously is the favorite child for everyone right now. So with that, thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button so you get notified next time I release a video, and until next time, keep prompting.